age of social posting our lives, do you know one post can destroy your injury case? Well, here to explain is Ken Gerber. And to tell us about the special scholarship they have for teens is Megan Gerber of Gerber Injury Law. How are you two doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. I love when you guys come in because you have some great topics, but this one is so important. And Megan, you are on social media, so you get to see these little things that pop up here and there. You know how social media works, but it's not a very good idea, so let's talk a little about that.
No, it makes me cringe. The first thing I see a friend post their car that's probably totaled, and they post, look what happened to me today, thank God I'm okay. And I'm like, this literally happened an hour ago. How do you know you're okay?
Yeah, the other part too is where people are working out, and they're like, look how strong I am, look how great I am. But they have a case going, and that's not the smartest, right?
No, we'll have one time we did have a client where we were just kind of like, does she have as big of an injury or not? And at one point, Ken was like, can you look up on her social media? And sure enough, she's doing pull-ups. Look at how many pull-ups I can do. We're like, no, this is not okay. Yeah, you can't post about how uninjured you are, but then have a lawsuit saying how injured you are.
Right. Ken, and that's where you guys step in to say, like, listen, what are you doing? You can't say that because it's pretty much saying you're okay.
It's literally a recorded statement that you're giving to the insurance company. And we're not the only ones that look up that social media. The insurance company, guarantee you, they're doing it.
Yeah. So when it comes to an accident, I know people want to tell people they're okay and stuff like that. It's pretty much talk with your lawyer first before you go posting or anything like that. It's okay to talk, but as soon as you post it, it's going to be a legal thing against you, kind of, right?
It's there forever, and they will bring it up, and it will be used against you. They absolutely will do that. And so you just don't want to post that you're okay. Post the picture. Best not to post at all, or like Megan says, say something like, at least I'm not dead.
Or they think that it's just because it's tagging their friends, it's okay. Well, it's just my friends. Well, a lot of people have friends of friends that see your post, and
that's not the good thing there. So in this situation, take the pictures, save them, talk to your attorney. Right. Not say anything. But I know everyone wants to know you're okay. You know, you talk about accidents. So you can say, you know what, can you say you're okay? Or can you say, what's the smartest thing if you do want to post?
It's best not to post at all. It's just best not to do it. If you feel compelled to do it, just say, this just happened. And if anybody asks you in the comments, just message them privately.
It's because a lot of times they're not okay. The adrenaline's high. They don't realize that their back, their neck, herniated disc, they don't realize that they are injured. And then 24 hours later, they're calling us saying, wow, I don't feel good. My back is hurting. This is hurting. And that's why you just have to be very careful.
So it's very interesting. I started thinking about this now because you talk about working out and stuff, because I do have a friend who posts like days and stuff and times when he's working out. And I think it's because if he does get injured down the line, they can't go back and go, oh, wait, here goes a picture. Because our social media actually does not keep time. It like, oh, it pops up here, pops up there. So they could go back and go, well, no, look here. Here goes, the date that you said you worked out and you're not hurt. That could help out, right?
Sure, absolutely. And we've used that type of evidence. We've seen it both directions. It hurts people if they're posting at the wrong time. It helps them in that regard.
I love it. Well, I love you guys have the podcast, and I know one thing we want to really mention too, and that is the teen scholarship you have for drivers. Really quick, how can people get that?
So go to our website, gerberinjurylaw.com. There is a icon that you can press and fill out the information for defensive driving, and we're giving away 12, and so we're on
number 6, 5, 4.
Wait, January, February, March, April. We're giving away number 4 right now.
Thank you. Well, I love when you guys do come in. Thank you very much. Information is on our website, how you can get a hold of the Gerbers by going to the cw7az.com website. So thank you two very much.
Thank you.
That was perfect. That was good.